guys, today we're gonna do some filters, and first I'm gonna do this red flag filter.
Tapi intinya lu masukin kita kayak Excel udah pede udah beres gitu. Cuman ada keparloannya kan lu kayak gitu.
Yeah.
Lu tuh masukin pada lu.
Not always, but okay. Now let's try again. Okay, your turn.
Second case-nya emang deadline training lama.
That's not true.
Karena duitnya kan banyak.
Bro, just say that's not true. Why do you say that's true? What? That's now. Let's try this rank one. Oh, I hate rats. Me. Okay, ox. 9. Tigers are cute, but 4. Rabbits. 2. Dragons are cool. 3. Snake. 10. Horse are cute. 5. Sheep. 6. Monkey 7. Rooster 8. Dog 4. Big. Okay. Next challenge. Filter. Now let's try food blind ranking. Pasta 3. 4. I don't really like it. 7. Ew. What? Okay, sandwiches are good too. It's good, but you can't put it in one. Okay. No, I'm not a fan. Tacos. Yay! First. Okay, next one. Okay, let's do this or that. Which one? This one. Okay, which one? Hey! Okay, pick one. My turn. Doggy. Oh, this one's cuter. What? I like this one more. OMG. Okay. Okay. Now this one. Which one? That one's cute. Huh? Okay, next one. Last one, we're gonna do my 2025. What? It's so sad. Okay, your turn. Wait.
No, it's
Wait, is it the same? Okay, wait. Let's try. We're gonna. Your turn. Wait, what? Okay, yours is kind of better. Bye. Love you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, or a spider will be under your bed.